Almost took my whole self out. Alright, y'all, so this is my hair completely after I did my touch up and got my retwist. I just wanted to show y'all what the end result was going to look like before we got into the actual video. So if you like what you see, just go ahead and stay tuned, and let's go ahead and get into the dyeing process. Because we're healthy. Alright, y'all. It's gonna be a lit video today. I have been really down in the dumps lately. Literally, like, down in the dumps. So tomorrow I'm getting my hair retwisted. I'm getting my full body waxed. So if you see a little bit of armpit hair, we're all human, we all have hair, it's natural. Get over it. If you don't like it, exit out the video. It's really no big deal to me because somebody's gonna watch my content. Anyway, so today we're dyeing my roots. I haven't done a hair color video. When I was going to do it, I kind of just was on impulse, and I went ahead and dyed my hair before I actually locked up. So this is where my new growth is right now. It's been like a month and a half since I've gotten a retwist. Lord Jesus, hopefully ain't no lint back there. It's been a month and a half since I got my last retwist. And I'm going tomorrow at 1:30 p.m. I can't wait. I feel like this is the pick-me-up that I need desperately. So yeah, just want to show y'all where I'm at right now. So I've got about, like, if this was straightened, it'd probably be about like 2 inches of new growth, because it starts right here. My locks are getting really long too, like, I'm surprised. Okay, so today I'm using my Superstar Cream Peroxide Developer in volume 30. I'm going to use a brush, bowl to mix my color. So I usually do L'Oreal Hicolor, and I'll use Copper Red, Sizzling Copper, and Golden Blonde. So of course they didn't have any Sizzling Copper because apparently, like, this is like a really popular color right now, I guess. Like, I've seen a lot of people with this color lately. So yeah, so I have never used this Clairol color ever, so y'all please Jesus be a fence and make sure that this works out well, because I am nervous, y'all, for real. So I'm using L'Oreal Hicolor Golden Ginger, Copper Red, and Medium Red Neutral Blonde by Clairol Professional Soy 4-Plex Liquicolor. This is what it is. I looked at the what's that thing called? The little hair swab, like the little what it looks like, the little sample, but sometimes that thing be lying. It be lying. So I'm hoping it's more blonde than red, because I don't really want like a really red tone. I really want it to go lighter, but I've seen things talk about how, like, you're not supposed to dye your locks when they're immature. It's better to dye them when they're more formed, so, well, when they're matured. So I don't want to go over my hair with color again. So after maybe about like the year mark, when they actually mature, I might go lighter, like an actual like bright ginger blondish color. But all right, so like I said, this is gonna be a lit video. Sipping on a Hennessy, smoking my vape. It ain't no illegal stuff in that vape though. It's literally just oil. So yeah, I'm about to mix the color, and then I'll pretty much, I don't know if I want to do time lapse or if I want to actually just record the whole thing, but I'll figure it out. And yep, so stay tuned. So you're going to want to start by mixing all the colors. 1 tablespoon equals 30 ounces. So that's kind of just what I worked with mixing it. So had the golden ginger, that was the copper red, and the copper red also comes with like an activator for the reddish tone of the copper. This is the tablespoon that I used, and I just did everything according to the directions. I think for the L'Oreal Hicolor it was 2.4, 2.5 fluid ounces, and for the Liquicolor I think it might have been a little bit more, or maybe been like right at 2. So I just converted it, shout out to nursing school, and I just mixed it all up. Mixed into this orange goodness, you want to get your conditioning cap and some gloves to protect your hands. So for the actual dyeing process, I just sectioned my locks into 4 sections and started at my roots. I usually do my perimeter last because it processes the fast, and nobody wants orange carrot top with copperish ginger locks. So I always do my edges last, and the perimeter my nape, and yep, that's just pretty much what I did all the way throughout. Then at the very end, I just kind of smoothed everything down. I didn't massage it into my scalp. I just smoothed everything down to make sure that it was evenly spread throughout. Alright y'all, so I processed for a total of 30 minutes. Y'all, it's looking more red than copper, ginger, orange, whatever. But hair dye looks darker when it's wet and before you wash it out. So yeah, so I did 20 minutes, and then I looked at it. It didn't really look like processed enough. Sorry, I ate a salad while I was gone. So it didn't look processed enough, so I did another 10 minutes because this one said to do 30 minutes, but all the other ones said 20. I didn't use any heat. I let it just process by itself using the heat from my scalp. So I'm about to wash it out now, and then I'll come back with what it looks like. Oh, let me just kind of show y'all. There's something about it. Kind of looks more red, y'all. Like, I'm so nervous. Like, oh Lord, it looks more red than anything. But I guess like as long as it's darker. As long as it's darker and not lighter than my previous color, I'm good, because it's gonna look like kind of like an ombre effect. But if it was too light, I'd be like, I'm dyeing my immature locks so it can all match. But yeah, like I said, I'm about to wash it out, and then I'll come back with what it looks like. This is the shampoo that I use that was recommended by my loctician. I love, love, love it. So I went ahead and shampooed my hair. It wasn't a hassle to like rinse all the dye out, surprisingly. It came out very easily, and that shampoo really was a cleanser, and it really stimulated my scalp. It made it have like a kind of minty feel, and my hair felt really, really clean afterwards. big reveal. I haven't picked up my hair, nothing. I literally put a towel on it, and now we're about to look. I'm so nervous, y'all. Like, oh Lord, hold on. Let me mute this because Lord Jesus, hold on. Please, Lord, don't let me have to mute that part or whatever and get copyrighted. Y'all, it turned out magnifique. Magnifique. Like I said, I haven't looked at it before I started this video, so I had to admire myself for a minute. But this is what the color is. I don't even know what the back looks like. I see some spots that, like, you know, didn't process all the way through, but I mean, that's what you kind of get with having locks and doing it by yourself. But for the most part, y'all, we in A. Love, love, love it. I am Retwist ready. Oh my gosh, I love it. So tomorrow in the morning, I'm gonna, you know, restart the vlog and everything as I'm going to get my retwist, and I'll probably ask my loctician if she can actually let me like show the process of it. I'll probably do a time lapse, it's gonna take long. But I'll probably do a time lapse of her actually retwisting my hair. I'll include that, and then of course that after and everything. So hope y'all enjoyed the dyeing process part of it, and I'll see y'all tomorrow in the morning. All right, so I got my entire body waxed, and now I am on the way to get my hair retwisted. This is kind of what my hair looks like in the light. But yeah, headed to get my hair retwisted. I'm honestly already feeling like a little bit better after just that wax, like, and I'm probably about to change my waxer because sis literally waxed my whole body with no pain. Like, I was literally on the table about to go to sleep. Like, I was shook. Like, when I say no pain, like, of course, like, you know, everybody flinches. I didn't even flinch, y'all. I do have a high pain tolerance, but like, I did not flinch, nothing. And when she finished, like, I felt her wiping me down, and I was like, "You're done?" And she was like, "Yeah." And I said, "Are you serious?" So like, that's what I said. Look, I usually go to so and so, but I said I might switch to you now because that's wild to me. Like, no pain at all, no pain at all, no pain at all. But yeah, so I'm about to, I'm literally dropping right now still, but I'm about to walk up into my stylist's salon and get my locks retwisted, and I will be a new girl in a couple of hours, and I will come back with the final result. Y'all, I literally completely forgot to show the after video. So of course, like, I'm a like put it on my like tripod or whatever and like show y'all everything. All right, y'all. So make sure this is out. Gotta make sure everything looks perfect. So just got my retwist done. gotta say, fire. My girl gets me right every single time, never misses. Okay. The gel that she used this time, it was something different. It was Nairobi. I've never really heard of it, but she said it was a really good gel. Smells very like fresh and light. It's not too heavy. As you can see, I don't have flakes or anything. I ended up not doing the time lapse. She had somewhere to go, so I don't want to bother her with anything extra. So yeah, so she used that, and she didn't even use a lot. But as you can see, like, my hair looks very good. Sorry, I'm in love with my color. Like, I'm so glad that I decided to dye my hair like randomly on a whim. So I'm gonna just show y'all. This is my hair. Yeah, I'm looking cute. We are outside tonight, period. We outside tonight. It's Saturday. It's hot. It's in the 80s right now. It's gonna be in the 70s tonight. We are outside, period. Period. Five months in. My 5-month anniversary was last week on the 18th. So I'm loving the journey. My hair is actually like starting to actually like lock. Like, you can still see, like, you know, the twists at the ends and everything, but like they're getting harder to like separate. Like, I can barely like separate it. But yeah, like, I'm loving the journey, and that's it. So stay tuned for my next video. I'll probably do a vlog of me going to visit my man. Either that, or I'll come with next month I'll do a 6-month update. But yeah, hope y'all like the video. Hope y'all like my locks, and I'll catch y'all later.